Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Teacher Sneha. Today I'm super excited to unbox this simple machine toolkit. Simple machines are very simple but they play a very vital role in our day-to-day life. From lifting heavy objects to make our work faster, easier and simpler, we use simple machines everywhere. So in this video, I'm going to show you what simple machines I can make from using this simple machine toolkit box that I had ordered from Amazon. And let's open the box and explore what's inside. So it comes with a manual and some other few stuffs. I'm going to see what's all inside this simple machine toolkit wonder box. So it shows me how I can assemble the given objects and make simple machine models using that. It has come with some foam sticks as well. Some nut bolts are given, some threads, and some foam sheets are there which are labeled as B1, B2, B4, B9. Total 3 foam sheets are there and all are labeled, means they have little parts on that and those parts are labeled with their numbers. And on the manual that we saw earlier in this video, that has the assembly numbers, like which all units we have to assemble to make different models. So here first I am making a seesaw. And to make that I have used the foam sheets given as per the instruction in the toolbox. Let's see how I'm going to assemble that. So very precisely cut foam sheets are there and very firm and sturdy as well. So they perfectly fit into each other. And after you follow the instructions, you have to fasten them all with a stick given. A small bamboo stick is given. With that, if you fasten all of this, then you can see the first model we are done with. We can make a seesaw using this simple machine toolkit. The next one that I'm going to make is an inclined plane. So I have collected all of the materials that were required to make an inclined plane and assembled them as shown in the booklet. You can see the booklet on the desk and I'm assembling it as per the instructions. It's very simple to follow those instructions. There were foam sheet numbers written and you just have to arrange those numbers in the order and place them together as it is shown in the figure. Now using this stand we can make actually two models. We can make an inclined plane also using this. So after you make the pulley, if you attach an inclined plane to it, like there is a foam sheet which you have to arrange in a slanting position, and then your model of an inclined plane is also ready. So there were 4 pieces of marble given which you fit inside, and then that you use it as a heavy object that is lifted against inclined plane. I will assemble all the sheets, foam sheets as per the given instruction. Assemble all of these sheets, your different models of the simple machines will be ready. It's a very useful toolkit if you have a science project coming up and for the science project you want to make simple machines. See how precisely I have made different types of simple machines using this model. Very effective for making your science project look more attractive. Very good and effective kit to assemble, very kids friendly. And I enjoyed it thoroughly making different models of simple machines using the kit. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day ahead. Bye.